We're heading out. We're going to a Home Depot. On my list, in my mind, a junction box, an outlet box, an outlet, the little pieces that go on it, the smallest one, which is 3/8, and then the next size above, which is what? 5/8? Half inch. Not 5/8. And yeah, man. And I got the tacks and all, and I don't need anything else. I could get some BX cable or Romex cable, that is, and work on my lights recess. And also, I'm just looking for a door, 26-inch, which they don't have, a 24-inch door. We'll most likely try to find a slotted plantation type door. I'm completing up a video I'm watching about Ace Pro 2 versus the Action 5. And man, it's really leaning towards the Action 5 Pro. Ace Pro don't have 10-bit, but it has 8K. It doesn't have the profiling that you want in D-Log N type, but it has all the effects that's been around since the late 1990s. I forgot rope, and that's a sign that they're going to have the door. Normally, if I bring rope, they won't have the door. I should get a chamois. I know they're about $5. And if it's too expensive here, then I'll go back to Lowe's to pick one up later. And that's what I need, because I got to do the floor as well. But I'll do that at a later time. Well, I'm 2 minutes early. I got to wait for them to open up now. Yeah, so let's get our fingers out of the camera and get where we need to be at. In the store, shopping. Go down the electrical aisle. I got a cover. I got a box mounted to the side if I want, as well as to an outlet that I just need to buy a new outlet. Okay, I got the parts I need. Let's go look for a door. Chamois. I'm out of here. I don't need an exterior door. About 176 compared to 574 for a door. I don't need a fireproof door or a screen door. I could use one of these types of doors, but not a garage door. This is the type of door I'm looking for. And this is the aisle I need to be in. 136, 146, 126. I gotta make a decision. What I need? 24. They don't make 26s, but there is a 26 there. A 28 is a 24. What I need? They don't make 26s, but a 28 won't work. I'm done. Got everything I needed. I gotta get over this hump. Oh man, somebody like dropped pebbles all over the place. Let's get on going. Oh man, look at that sky. Beautiful sky indeed. I got wood. I think I put it in last. I got a door I need to shove in. So I'll put all the wood on one side. Not forget the little nicks and crannies. So I got everything I need. Don't have nails. I didn't know if I needed the wood. I got a frame to narrow down. Would have loved a 26-inch. That would have definitely got me just 2 inches bigger. Well, I'm happy. I'm ready to get on out of here. I'm being, do what I need to do, get what I need to get where I have to get going, and go have fun doing what I want to do. I got work to be done. Well, let's get it going. I'm at 4K 30. That shouldn't be happening. Drop it down to 4K 25. The flicker goes away. So let's get on going where we need to be at. Get going down the road. We go to the diners. Classic food, man. Grease burgers. Oh yeah, best to get, right? Head on down. Come on down. We got work to be done. Now down below, it's flickering. Over there, that's caused by flickering. That's the way it's supposed to be. Flicker, flicker, flicker. I'm in the tunnel of yelling. I got everything I needed to get. I'm going to have a good day building. Today, later, tomorrow, or the next. Whenever. Man, I tore my door apart. It's a little too tall. I'm returning. I'm the return king because I'm getting a 28-inch one that I should have picked up in hand, but I got to do a lot of reversing. Oh, man. Nothing like deja vu. Hey, bring it back. Get another one. Let's get going. I find it funny how I take the door. I need the opposite, but that's the 28-inch I need. I'm going to change it over. They make left-handed. They just don't sell left-handed here at all. Oh man, I got everything I think I need. You got everything that you need? Get on out of here. Deja vu, man. My light's not blinking. Wow, DJI, you gotta learn with auto flicker to work correctly on 30 frames per second. Oh yeah, what a beautiful day it's going to be. Well, I'm Fish. I did it all over and got what I need. Stay tuned for the build. I have a winter project. You know, those days it's not nice, it's cold. Got to get it done. I want to put recessed lights here. As you can see, the camera shows it's pretty bright, but it's not. Fluorescent lights are out. LEDs has been in for quite some time. I'm going to do that at another time because I want to change the ceiling from 2x4s to 2x2s, and I have to plan that out. I had a door here that opened and closed. Before I didn't have a door there. This was all solid, but I have a door over here that opens and closes. I want to put in a slotted door like you see over there in the background and over here. They no longer make slotted doors at Home Depot. These slotted doors cost up to $500. I think I'll pack mine up and start to sell them and just put standard doors in, like this, for 100 and change. And these are not even left-handed. They're inners and not outers. You can't get a left-handed door at all at Home Depot. So I gotta modify my door today. But before I do, I got some AC work to be done. I gotta cut out the AC fuse switch, number 5. I gotta pull the line out from here and stick up on the wall and make a junction box. And later on, when I am in the mood to run a new line extension over here, if I need to have an outlet. I got an outlet one over there. It's always good to have an outlet over here. So I'll take my time later on to do that. I don't have a sawzall. Oh, I got a jigsaw, but the jigsaw is 99% done. I'm going to have to take a manual saw and cut the board on the bottom. I thought maybe a 24 would do. I can't get a 26, but I got a 28. I got 30 inches opening, so why not go get a 30-inch door? Because they don't make 30. They make 32. All these even odd sizes. So I got all this room here to put in that 28-inch door, 29 and change. I gotta just jimmy it. So I'm gonna finish my coffee and then I'm gonna get started and let's get going. All right, my job's done. I put my junction box up. I have here is where my cable came in and my cable's going out to the rooms. So this way no more line falling there and upstairs to get fixed. So all cleaned up, all nice and tidy the way I want it. Give you a little show what it looks like. A little hard for you to see what I was doing, right? Here's my next project. You can't get doors correctly online. Here's my next project. I won't be able to get the door I want. It goes right here, 80 inches. And I got troubles getting it on there. I don't want it to open this way. I want it to open this way. So I got to now change things around. And I'm not sure how I'm going to go about that. I may have to take the hinges off and maybe take a measurement to see where the door handle. I don't care if the door handle's up here. And I'll take these parts off up there and transfer that down there. And I got to trim my door. Ooh, here we are. You saw me use that nice little saw. And I used a jigsaw and I got this all cut out. My ceiling's back up. My measurements are there to fit an 80 by 30, 29 and a half. I just don't get it. Bring back the door. I didn't bring back the door. I just said bring back the door. I brought it downstairs again, brought it upstairs again. And I just don't get it. I'm not sure why I get this measurement right here, 80 inches. The carpet. And maybe I gotta just trim an inch. Look how precise this is. Almost in there. Door opens up, and I could close it if I wanted to, lock it up. A great job indeed. Now, did a good job. I'm happy about it. Need to buy a door handle. I got the molding, just one piece. I'm going to use it for the top, cut it down, nice and slim. This is the color I need to stain it. And the good part is, it fits between here, where I need it to go. I'm able to open up the door. There you go. Job well done. It didn't take too long. It was the only 28-inch by 80 door, where all the doors in the house down here are 77 inches. And they're slotted plantation type louvers. Can't get them. They're like $500 online. Home Depot. None of the stores. I would have loved to slot it so this way air would have flowed through. The boiler system, not a big deal. Job's done. Attaboy, fish. Attaboy. Enjoy the build. I hope you enjoy your builds, that you can sit back and accomplish a lot. Got paneling here. Get things out of my way. In order to open up the door, you got to remove the outside bolts. And over here, you got to unscrew this bad boy. Now, I am like, I'm in like Flynn. I'm in no rush. I got no help. It goes right in. A little finesse. Nail it in. There you go. Take the door opener out. Woohoo! There you go. Once you nail it in, everything will fit.